I bought these 3 junk Nintendo Switches for a total of $100, and today I'm gonna turn one of them into the ultimate Nintendo Switch. I have carefully labeled them so we don't mix them up. Let's get right into it. Oh, and this video is sponsored by PCBWay.
Oh mio Dio, funziona! I'm gonna select a pair of Joy-Cons and see what happens. The right Joy-Con is not reading at all, the left Joy-Con is trying to read, but it's not working.
Oh wow, someone definitely had fun here. Gonna check how it charges with this power meter, and it's charging fine, but the port is very wobbly. And if we flip the connector, it doesn't work, so this is broken. Blue screen means we will not be fixing this today. This one is not powering on right now, the battery could be low, so I'll just try to charge it. Alright, it's not working. Let's flip it and try again. Nothing at all. That's kinda ominous. Let's go back to the Tortiglione switch and I'll be using this mini dock to see if we get a signal. Nothing on this side, so let's flip the connector and check again. Alright, it works. Right, so here's the plan. The Tortiglione switch here is the only one that's working, so I'll be repairing it and then I'll be recycling the screen from one of the other 2 switches, or I'll just grab it from one of my spare donors that I have lying around. Time to open it up and have a look inside. Mamma mia. It's just caked on here. And there's a missing screw here, so it's definitely been opened before. This keeps getting worse. The port is snapped and it's moving inside itself. I've never seen this before. Let's unplug the battery and keep going. Mamma mia! Whoever opened this absolutely wrecked this cable. With the motherboard out, you can really see how much this sucks. I think I see some liquid damage, so let's take a closer look at these pins. It's definitely dusty and corroded, so I'll wash it with some isopropyl alcohol to get a better view. Okay, the last 3 pins on the right are moving, and that must be why it doesn't work when you flip the connector. And now it's a time to replace it. If you're interested, I have links to all my tools down below. They're a great way to support me while getting great tools. It's a good idea to tin this beforehand. I do not use flux, otherwise it gets sticky inside the port. I replaced the USB port and all there's left to do is to test it and see if it works. But first, today's video is sponsored by PCBWay. If you need a PCB, they're the ones you need. They can even make your prototype in 24 hours and they even offer other CNC services like 3D printing. Just upload your project and tell them how you want it made. Click the link below for a $5 welcome bonus and start prototyping the easy way. Using the mini dock, I can test the motherboard outside its housing and it's the coolest thing ever. One side seems to be working and I'm pretty hopeful for the other one. Okay, the port has been fixed. These were kindly provided by Extreme Rate, and if you like them, you'll find links for 10% off in the description. So here are all the goodies. Clear Nintendo Switch backplate with Joy-Con shells, tempered glass for the Nintendo Switch, Joy-Con LED kit, it includes the clear buttons, dock, clear faceplate, clear Joy-Con straps, clear Nintendo Switch faceplate. Here are the accessories that we will be modding. Our Joy-Cons though, they don't really exist yet. I got this screen from a dead unit and I'll pre-apply the tempered glass for perfect alignment. I just finished installing the shell and I think it's looking alright. Just one small issue, I think I've installed the screen a little bit crooked. We have installed the RGB mod, but there is a small issue. I managed to break some LEDs. Now, I don't think they're crushed, but I might have accidentally bent the flex PCB too much. The other one is fine though. But yeah, all things considered, I would say it's quite beautiful. I'm in love with clear electronics. I'm gonna keep it. If you like this video, you might like this other video where I made a pair of custom Joy-Cons, or this other one where I repaired a Switch Lite that was completely destroyed by a dog. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're happy.